bikango mu district ya Buliisa kugira honorable minister ado abagayigaba baina abantu benya bari kumanya mu government ekibeji bahwera okutinisa abakozi ba ministry buru babiri nibabagambaho.
They need to come and settle in the lake. Individuals want to control the lake and make sure that they do their corruption, they cover the illegal officials. They are the ones controlling the lake. They are the ones who want to pack lorries, trailers of immature fish and take to Congo. We are aware of individuals.
Muringo ngogumwe honorable minister yanangiriza abajibi ukorekera kubasika cyona kuri bikango bakwatanisa na government umukurinde nyanja habukuba mbo bari kwihe kikuba beisaho n'amakagabo.
District of Buliisa and all the districts in Uganda, fishing community districts. Please, you have the authority with your councils to sit down, to come up with your bylaws. Because you should not look at the center controlling everything. The cows, the RDCs, the LOC5s and their councils should sit down and come up with the bylaw regulations. Block every vehicle coming for immature fish.
Ebyo bikiri aho nora bigirwa uri myeshingira habwa Buliisa district yayanangiriza government okongera musente umbyo kujubo mu ihanga abo kuba nabyo bine kibiru kwerentasi yihange ya hamwe.
One, countrywide, this sector has done a lot in improving our GDP. Secondly, it's one of the sectors that is helping this country to handle the issue of unemployment. Most of our youth across the country who are involved in the fishing activities are taking care of themselves and are living responsible lives.
Muringo ngogumwe yahengera yahanangiriza government urebe kangu yashagikabajibi abatahiriro mwejemure ari kugira ngo abo bahati tubine ko barukobaho.
First by the fishermen in Buliisa is one, they do not have the capacity or the money to buy the right fishing gears because they're expensive. The boats are expensive, the engine is expensive, and even the nets themselves. Two, they are crying of the harassment that is on the water bodies.
Tombukasa Bukenya uri mukuru wa Fisheries Resources nawe yahamya ku government erigireyo n'iteka irikuza kuyambaho mukurinde nyanja zo no mu ihanga ari kugira ngo bwahati bari barondo buryo ubu baratandike kuri to mu nkora
yakituwa sobolo okulwanyisa envubembi nyanja ate naffe tuvudeyo n'amateeka agasobola okukigayinga basobola okukola omulimu ogwo obulungi. Naye ng'ekikulu ekiriwo nti minisita abagambye nti tulina okutunuulira ennyo omutindo gw'ebyennyanja naddala ebigenda ebweru kuba kati tetukyavuba nvuba yakufunako bwennyanja bwakulya naye era ngaabweri mission eya minisitule ya agriculture fisheries and life.
Muringo ngogumwe rongino bahebwa RDC wa district ya Buliisa nawe yaterera government umuranga ukorekera kubasika cyona urebe kangu yabasa kwera Buliisa b'ibyenyanja ikubahereza obutimba ubwo kubasa kurisiza mu byenyanja byabo.
We had some farmers who had the fish cages, but later they were submerged by water and as most of them were destroyed. So our request is, if the ministry really want, we have organized fish farmers, if they can again help them by providing fish cages, so that at least we promote fish caging farming.
Stephen Mbindi uri umujibi wagamba huna Sky TV yashoborera bimuhabizwe bibarukurabamu ubu barikora umurimo gwabo.
So in most cases the challenge we get the DSC security team sometimes come in a pound of nets, gonna take them there and the boats, and getting them becomes very expensive for a poor fisherman. And even sometimes when we are conserving them, they are not conserving. At the end of it all, you find them with them, they enter here into our waters and end up harvesting what we are conserving.
Umutwe mukuru gw'izoberi kubekuriyo kongera amani umbyo kujube biri kugendera amateka kurebekangwa abajubibona babasa kutahiza amakagabo kandi bahindura n'ahantasiyo mu maka makoraga gasha kwa God asaba aba Sky TV.